Guys, hello guys, and welcome back to my second video. Today we will be learning about data types, but before we get into that, you have probably noticed that I have changed the program, and I will leave a link to that as well, and the link to the other one will be in this description down below as well. Anyways, let's get started. So we will be learning about booleans first. So booleans are a definition of true or false. So for example, is male equal, or actually, you know what, let me do something else. Definition equal true, and then I'm going to print that out. Definition, and now if I run it, it will print out true right now. I'm sorry, what? Sorry about that. Replit is dumb, but as you can see here, it printed out true. So if I do this false, by the way, I want to tell you something. You can't like do it false like this. You need to capitalize the first letter, and this also goes for the true definition. But anyways, if I do this, it will print out false instead of true. Let me just run it again, and boom. And I can even put it in a text. Plus means no. So after that, there's what? Well, we can just go for this for now. We can go like this for now. But anyways, I'm going to teach you about more variable stuff. So test variable. So you can name this anything, like anything you desire, like my boy, or my mobile phone, or position variable, anything you want. You can also do underscore like this, but you can't do this or this, otherwise it will just make an error. So let's just stick with this, and then I'm going to add some sort of text like hello world, you will go boom bada bing how. And you guys will probably do it something different, but I'll just do it anything, honestly, because this just doesn't matter. It's for your guys learning or entertainment. Anyways, now let's print it. Test variable. Also, unlike what we saw there, even though it should have worked, you can actually put like merge these two strings. So for example, is a cool variable, and also this is called concatenation. Where you just where you put a string to another. Also, this is also, yep, I don't know why it didn't work at first, but I guess it did now. You can also do it like this, just like how you saw it in the last tutorial. Here, hello world, you will go okay. Also, I want to teach you something. So for example, I'm going to make some sort of story. Actually, char name, aka also known as character name, equal Tom Holland. A really cool actor. Most of you probably have seen No Way Home. It's a really cool movie. But just don't spoil it, or I will take the demon out of myself and I will crush you. You will not be able to take the pain and die. Anyways, char name plus was a cool Spider-Man actor. Print char name, and he was 26. You probably know about this, but I'm going to teach you something that you'll probably find useful. You can like overwrite this this variable with the same name but with a different text. For example, char name equal Andrew Garfield. And then I'm going to print but let's capitalize this anyway. But plus char name plus was better. Guys, no actor wars, please. No fighting in these wars. Whatever you like. I personally like all of the actors, but it should print out the way that we want it. Look, Tom Holland was a cool Spider-Man actor. Tom Holland was 26, but Andrew Garfield was better. Guys, just like I said, no wars in these things. If you like any actor that I don't like, that's cool anyways. I mean, it's your life, not theirs. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So I will see you in the next video, hopefully, and goodbye.